Good day. In previous video we have created a chart for our character model, and the chart we have created in Marvelous Designer, and we have exported this chart into our file system as an OBJ file format. Now today I am going to add this chart into our model in Character Creator. To do this, we can go to menu, create, and select accessories. Now this is our exported file, chart object, and open it. Now you can see the chart has rendered. Now it looks larger than the body and it is not positioned perfectly. So we need to modify it. Go to modify section, and here you can see the transform. In transform, at first we need to change the scale to like 85 or 6, I would say 86, and here we can make it 86 or 90, whatever you like. I would choose 90, a little bit longer, and let's move it up like 38 or 40. Let's see. It seems okay. Now it's need to move backward, so we need to change the Z section. We can put -5. Let's see how it looks. It looks okay to me. Now you can see the body has been exposed. It will be corrected automatically if you calculate the collision. To do this, at first we need to transfer this chart into skin weights. Select transfer skin weights, and I choose this default. Click the apply button and close it. Now we can go to confirm tools, and in the confirm section you can see the calculate collision, and click here. Most of the parts are automatically adjusted according to the body. Now you can change few things, like exit the confirm tools, and if you see this white portion exposed, I need some correction here. Like I'm going to go to the edit mesh section, click here and click the edit element, and we can select this element. Now you can see we have selected this element and make its height, and now looks it's okay to me. Some elements need to be hide, like this, not this, maybe this. Let's see how it looks. It seems okay to me. The font sections are okay. Now go to the back, and here we can select this and do the same things. Hide this white section, and it seems okay to me. Now if you see there, you can see our body has been exposed here, so we need to some sculpt. So click the sculpt button, and by default it selected the pull, so here we can pull the chart here, and it looks okay to me. Now let's zoom out. It seems okay to me, and exit from the edit mesh. Now you can take this shard as an accessories so that you can use this shard into another human model. To do this, we need to go to the content and select the cloth, and here we need to click the custom, and from the custom we can click the shard section here, and here you can see the plus sign. Click here, name the shard here, shard. So this is our shard, and in the next video we will create wristband and head scarf.